Welcome back to Orange Hat Reviews. Sorry about the uneven hat. This today, wow, we're going to be talking about Disney again. As you all know, I'm anti-Disney. So this kind of news puts a smile on my face, even if it is only an allegation right now. Disney whistleblower alleged the company inflated revenue for years. The former Walt Disney accountant says she filed a series of whistleblower tips with the Securities and Exchange Commission, alleging the company has materially overstated revenue for years. Sandra Kuba, formerly a senior financial analyst in Disney's Revenue Operations Department, who worked for the company for 18 years, alleges that the employees working in the parks and resorts business segment systematically overstated revenue by billions of dollars by exploiting weaknesses in the company's accounting software. Oh, sugar. Kuba says she met with officials from the SEC on several occasions to discuss the allegations. A spokeswoman for the SEC declined to comment. A Disney, ticker DIS, spokesperson said the company has reviewed the whistleblower's claims and found that they were utterly without merit. Yeah, of course they would say that. That's them trying to cover their asses. But, Kuba's whistleblower filings, which have been reviewed by MarketWatch, outline several ways employees allegedly boosted revenue, including recording fictitious revenue for complimentary golf rounds or for free guest promotions. Another alleged action Kuba described in her SEC filing involved recording revenue for $500 gift cards at their face value even when guests paid a discounted rate of $395. Kuba has also alleged that employees sometimes recorded revenue twice for gift cards, both when guests bought the gift card and when it was used at the resort. Sometimes revenue was recorded even though a gift card was given to a guest for free following a customer complaint. For instance, according to the whistleblower allegations, Kuba's filing alleges the flaws in the accounting software made the manipulation difficult to trace, though the consequences could be significant if in just one financial year, 08 to 09, Disney's annual revenue could have been overstated as much as $6 billion. Kuba's whistleblower filing alleges. The Parks and Resorts business segment reported a total revenue of $10.6 billion in 09, according to its annual report filed with the SEC. Kuba brought her concerns, or said she brought her concerns to the SEC in August 2017. She was fired from Disney about a month later. Well, that doesn't really go well for Disney. That's not a good thing for Disney to do. Especially if they have something to hide, they're going to fire somebody who knows something. In October 2017, Kuba filed a whistleblower retaliation complaint with the Department of Labor's Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Disney's response to the department's whistleblower office investigators' inquiry said that Kuba's employment was terminated because she displayed a pattern of workplace complaints against co-workers without a reasonable basis for doing so, in a manner that was inappropriate, disruptive, and in bad faith. Basically meaning she was disrupting the hive, and the higher-ups who were probably involved didn't like that they were getting caught. Kuba was or has made 2 additional whistleblower filings since leaving the firm, including one this past June. The most recent tip alleges some Disney employees reclassified guest revenue from high sales tax items such as hotel rooms and lower tax items such as food and beverages, with the purpose of significantly reducing sales tax liabilities in Florida, California, and Hawaii. MarketWatch has reviewed the 3 filings and supporting documentation that was sent to the SEC. Disney spokesperson said the claims presented to us by this former employee, who was terminated for cause in 2017, have been thoroughly reviewed by the company and found to be utterly without merit. In fact, in 2018, she withdrew the claim she said she had filed challenging her termination. We're not going to dignify her unsubstantiated assertions with further comment. Oh, please, could that possibly be because you guys maybe might have threatened to sue her into oblivion and she probably can't go toe-to-toe with you guys in the courtroom, even if she does have the stuff. But then again, you guys do have corporate lawyers that are willing to get their hands even dirtier than they really should be. Anywho, Kuba said she would withdraw on her claim challenging her termination, but reserves the right to resubmit it and continues to dispute Disney's decision to fire her. The whistleblower said she talked with officials from the SEC by phone and met with them in person on more than one occasion, including as recently as last week, to discuss allegations in her filings. The SEC has also requested additional documentation related to the allegations based on the correspondence reviewed by MarketWatch. The pattern of interaction with the SEC suggests that the regulator is taking the allegations seriously, said Jordan A. Thomas, a former attorney in the SEC's Enforcement Division and chairman, and Labaton Succaro's whistleblower representation practice. That's a tongue twister almost. As Thomas told MarketWatch, SEC receives more than 25,000 tips, complaints, and referrals each year, and the vast majority do not make it this far. The fact that the SEC has asked for more information more than once and conducted interviews suggests an inquiry is underway. So, basically they're basically saying that Disney has been very naughty with their money, inflating their profits and whatnot, making themselves richer in very underhanded ways. Which isn't a surprise if people have been paying attention. I'm actually going to start wondering, have they been doing this with their movies as well? I mean, all their movies seem to be making close to $1 billion. The top 6 in the box office, all Disney movies. This kind of is suspicious. I think they should take a look at Disney very closely. Anyway, that's the video. If you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that jazz. This has been Orange Hat Reviews. Click the bell for more notifications. Staying up to date on all the stuff going on in entertainment news, movie reviews, and all such content related to either. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.